factory has two machines for canning milk. One machine takes 90 minutes, while another takes 110 minutes to produce the same number of cans of milk. So the 90 minutes one is a faster one, and the 110 minutes one is the slower one because it takes a longer time. Okay, now the faster machine produces 16 more cans of milk per minute than the slower one. Part A: how many cans of milk can the slower machine produce per minute? Part B: with both machines starting at the same time, how long will it take for the factory to produce 12,800 cans of milk? Now, to do part A, we need to realize one thing. For every minute that the faster machine is on, okay, for every 1 minute that the faster machine is on, it is able to produce 1 unit of can of milk plus an additional 16. Whereas for the slower one, it is only able to produce 1 unit of milk per minute. So this is for every 1 minute. Okay? Now, if we give the machines, the faster machine, 90 minutes, it is able to complete the job. Alright, it's able to complete the job in 90 minutes. Whereas for the slower machine, after 90 minutes, it is not able to complete the job. Why? Because it is slower and because of this extra 16 cans that the faster machine is able to produce every minute. Okay, so how many extra is being produced after 90 minutes of operation? 90 times 16. That will be 90 times 16, that will be 1440, right? So these extra cans of milk that has already been produced by the faster machine, the slower machine still has to produce it. Okay, it still has to produce because at the end they must produce the same number of milk. Alright, so this 1440, which is already produced by the faster one but not by the slower one, has to still be produced in the next 20 minutes. Okay, so 110 minus 90. The slower machine will take the next 20 minutes to produce these extra cans of milk. So if they're asking you, hey, how many cans of milk can the slower machine produce per minute? For 20 minutes, it is producing 1440. 20 minutes, 1440 cans. So if they're asking for 1 minute, we will take 1440 divide by 20 to give us an answer of 72 cans for the slower machine. Alright, so that is for part A. Now for part B, with both machines starting at the same time, how long will it take for the factory to produce 12,800 cans of milk? Now this is for the slower machine. We know that the faster machine is able to produce 16 more, so 72 plus 16. The faster machine can give 88 cans of milk for every 1 minute. So if they are working together, okay, if they are working together, alright, for every 1 minute, how many cans of milk can they produce all together? 88 plus 72. Faster plus the slower one. $160 cans of milk for every 1 minute. Now, there is a total of 12,800 cans of milk that needs to be produced. So how many minutes do you need to produce such an amount of milk? 12800, divide this by 160 to get an answer of 80 minutes for the final answer for our part B.